Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. In this course, we are going to learn the if-else part in more details and on the application in lists. Right? Lists we studied in the first part of the lecture, just like an array, but can support various operations and multiple data types. The two standard lines, as now you must have seen, just to clear the terminal. Now I have A as 10, B as 20, and I'm making a list. Right? So in the list, I have items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm checking the in clause, right? In clause is another clause that is used in Python. Now what does in do? Now I'm saying if a in list, what is the value of a? A value is 10. So basically it says whether 10 is in this list. Okay, what is this list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether 10 is there here? No. In will compare with all the elements of the list. Okay, it does not check first or last or middle, it will compare with all. So internally what happens when I say a in list, I say okay, 10 is in this position, no. Whether 10 is in this position, no. 10 is 3, no. 10 is 4, no. 10 is 5, no. So basically 10 is not present in the list, so this becomes false. When if statement is false, else will be executed, and it says line 1, a is not available in the list. Okay, now exactly opposite of n is not n. What is b? B is 20. So whether 20 is there in the list? No, right? But it is saying b not in list, right? So correct, b is not there in the list, 20 is not there in the list, so this statement is true, right? Just see, because it is a reverse case. If it was like this, b in list, 20 is there in the list, no, so this becomes a false statement. When I am saying it not, right, originally it was false. With an addition of a not, two negatives, right, De Morgan's rules, a double bar is a, so b not in list, 20 is not in list, which is a true statement. So this line will be printed. Let us execute the code. Right, so first line is this: a is not available in the list, then b is not available in the list. See, this line it prints. And finally we have another example: c is equal to b by a. What is b? 20 by 10, okay, which is 2. C in list, so c is 2 basically, right? I am just writing in the comment, c is 2. Is 2 in the list? Yes, 2 is in the list, right? In will compare with all the elements, so it says list line 3, a is available in the list, a is available in the list. So this was the introduction to in and not in operators, and how can you use if and else with an array, with a list. Sorry. That's it. Thank you for watching class. Have a